A and B are two sets. Complete the tables below by shading in each of the given sets in the diagram. So, first set that we have is A intersection B. So as the name implies, it's the intersection between them. It's the area here in between them. So we're just going to shade this area in here. The next one, this little diagonal here means less. So what we're saying is A less B. What this means is everything in A that's not in B. So it's just going to be this area here. So A less B. Okay, then let's have a look at question B. So the sets U, P, Q, and S are as follows. So the set U is the natural numbers from 1 to 10. The set P are the numbers 3, 5, 6, 9. The set Q is 3, 5, and 10. And the set S is factors of 10. So when we're working with ones like this, like let's say factors of 10, it's nice to write them out. It'll make your life a lot easier. So let's just go ahead and write those out. So it'll be 1, 2, 5, and 10. So now it's a lot easier. Now we could also write out the natural numbers from 1 to 10, but I think that will be pretty obvious without writing them out. So just 1 to 10. We won't have to think too much about them. So here we have to complete the Venn diagram below by writing each element of the set U in the correct region of the Venn diagram. Okay, so we already have 4, 9, and 8 put in here. So let's always just start from 1 to 10 here, just fill them in. So we have 1, so 1 is definitely going to be in U. It's not going to be in P, it's not going to be in Q, but it's going to be in S. So I'm going to put in 1 here. And we always put just a little dot beside them, because look what happens. Let's say if I put 1, so 5 won't be in here, but let's just say 5. This looks like 15. So we have to be careful. If we want to put a 1 and a 5, we put a dot here and a dot here. So always just when you're writing numbers into Venn diagrams, make sure that you draw the dot in front of it. Okay, so 1 is done. Then 2. 2 is going to be the same actually. It's only going to be in S. Then 3 is going to be in U, P, and Q. So U, it's going to be in the big rectangle. It's going to be in P, and it's going to be in Q. So it's going to have to be in here. And the reason it's not down here is because it's not in S also. So it's only in P and Q. Then 4, we already have 4 put in. 5, let's have a look at 5. So 5 is going to be in P, Q, and S. So it's actually going to be right in the middle here. It's going to be in all of them. Then 6 is going to be in P only. 7 is going to be in none of them actually, so we'll just put it on the outside here. 8 is here, 9 is here, and then finally 10. 10 is going to be in Q and S. So it's going to be here. Okay, so then let's have a look at part 1 here. So we have to list the elements of the set P intersection Q intersection S. So I like to do those in order. So let's have a look at P intersection Q. So we have this shape here, so where the 3 and 5 is. So that's our first shape, and now we want to get the intersection of this shape and S. The intersection of this shape here and all of S will be just 5. So P intersection Q intersection S, just in the center of all of them, is going to be 5. And then for part 2 here, we have to list the elements of the set P less Q. So everything that's in P but not in Q. So everything that's in the red circle but not in the blue circle. So in this case, so we want to just put it in curly brackets like that just to show that we're listing the elements of a set. So you're going to say 6 and 9.